Hello kids, let's learn to 2D shapes drawing and this color fill. First color name kids, yellow color, light pink color, orange color, red color, sky blue color, black color, pink color, brown color and blue color. Kids, shapes drawing. Kids, shapes drawing black color. Star, star, square, triangle, octagon, heart, circle. Kids, color fill. Brown color, star, sky blue color, square, square, pink color, light pink color, triangle. Yes, triangle, yellow color, octagon, red color, heart, green color, circle. Repeat shapes name: star, square, triangle, octagon, heart, circle. Kids, this video like and my channel subscribe. Thanks for watching.